Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's the 10th of March, Monday. We did get finally some snow here in Flagstaff recently, so that's good. But I wanted to talk about the market volatility that we've had here recently. Today the stock market's down quite a bit. It's a continuing trend over the last couple weeks. It looks like we're going to get down about 10% on the S&P 500 today. That's 10% from the all-time high that we set almost a month ago. Some things that are happening right now, obviously there's lots of talks about tariffs, but we are having just a big repricing going on right now in the market. We being the overall market, is just trying to figure out what the value of things should be. What are growth rates going to be? What are interest rates going to be? What are tax rates going to be? These things are all kind of being questioned right now, and there's a bunch of very, very smart people and a bunch of very complicated computers trying to determine if the short-term trend of the market's going to go up, down, or sideways. So a couple things I just wanted to point out. Last year, the market was up 23%. This is as measured by the S&P 500. In 2023, it was up 24%. These are incredibly good return numbers. Numbers that are not normal. They're quite high. And also, the other thing I wanted to mention was there's the Department of Government Efficiency, and I think depending on how you think about that or what news sources you're looking at, you might view them as a very big disruptive group right now. So only 15% of the budget is non-Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, defense, or interest on the existing debt. And so there's not a lot of spending that can be cut. Not enough to get the budget in line, or a balanced budget, getting spending in line with expenses. The other thing to take into consideration is if they cut a tremendous amount out of the federal budget, the federal budget's spending is such a large percentage of our gross domestic product, it would have terrible repercussions on the economy and almost certainly send us into a recession. So they're not going to want to do that either. But I just wanted to point out that there's a lot of repricing going on right now. We are down about 10%, and also a 10% decline happens on average every single year. And it's normal. It doesn't feel normal every time it happens, but it is very normal. If you want to talk to your financial advisor, please do. We're always open to have discussions and answer questions. Take care. Hope you're doing well.